Hello and welcome back to the AutoCAD course. In today's lesson we'll be going over through units. So all you have to do is simply search for units using your keyboard. So units right there, click enter, and you are on the units. So I usually start and work with millimeters, so you could go type decimal, this will give you decimal. So since we are working with millimeters, it's just 0, there's nothing lower than it, but you could choose the precision based on what you are working with. Insertion scale, that also will be millimeters here. So the type will be decimal degrees, that I will leave it just like that, but you have to set up those settings based on what you are looking for. Units for specifying the intensity of lighting, so you could also go American or international based on your standards of architecture and engineering as well. So clicking OK will adjust the units and set up the units for you. So that was the units lesson. See you in the next lesson.